お前はもう死んでいる。何？
Hello, my name is Jemmy and today I'm going to be showing you how to make lists in Python. Right now we're in Python module, so why don't we get started? First of all, what is a list? A list is basically an array. It's like a variable, but instead of storing only one number or string, this can store many strings, which is multiple of them. And I think it's going to be very useful, so I'm going to teach you how to do it. First of all, let's see what's a list in real life. A closet, right? It holds books, like if you're like me and put books in it, shoes, clothes, and jackets. So why don't we set a closet as a list? So first of all, to make a list, you need to do closet, or whatever you want as a list, equals to, and then put a bracket, which is right below the plus sign, and then we do what is in the closet. So there is clothes, as you said, clothes. Remember to put the single quotes slash quotation marks, clothes, books, jackets, and finally shoes. Okay, and you have to keep, and you also need to keep in mind that jackets, this list is counting from 0. So clothes is 0, number 1, number 2, number 3. So if you want shoes, which number is it? 3, right? Yes, because it counts from 0. So don't get confused with that, because we are going to have to pull specific ones later on. So yeah, keep in mind that it starts from 0. So moving on is to add something to the list. So what we say is to append it, and so this is how to do it. So we put the list name in dot append. This is how you spell append, and then you put in what you want to append. So like, I want to append sneakers then, because I just bought them. Like this, enter, and then print closet, which is to print the whole list. Print, and then you got to do these closet. Here we go. So print closet, and let's see what it does. We have to run it. I forgot. Run module, and it says, let me save it. Where should I save it? I'll just save it in my desktop then. Okay, and save. Downloads. Okay, save. Okay, so right now I'm actually in the wrong thing. We're not doing Python module, but we're actually going to do Python shell, which is different. So search up IDLE with me. Sorry for that, guys. So this is kind of similar, but instead of that, okay, just paste it. Okay, just paste it, and then sorry, and then after this, like this, right, guys? Then what we do is we just do something like this. I click enter, and then we just type copy this. Okay, put it in here. Copy this, and then click enter, then put it back in. So as you can see, it's added in sneakers, and so there's clothes, book, jackets, shoes, and sneakers. And here we are. So we have, at first it was clothes, book, jackets, and shoes, but now we added sneakers in. What if the person with the closet, so pretend me, I'm about to go to school, so I take my books out, and what will happen to the list? The book is going to be gone, right? So to make something get removed is pretty simple. It's kind of like append, closet dot remove, and then what do we want? Which one do we want to remove? So we put a bracket. And then we put closet. Wait, bracket, right? Yeah, bracket, and then after that we put clause. Whoopsies. Over here it needs to be a parentheses, not this bracket. Okay. So we put closet and now a bracket, and we put what number we want out. Okay, so books is number 1, so you put it in like that, and we click enter. Now you print it, print closet, like so. Enter, see, and books is gone. So I took the books out, went to school, and I came back. So I want to put my books back in my closet. So how do I put it back? Append is putting it back, but it's putting it. It's also, there's another one, and this one is to put in a specific position. Append is just putting in like right here, the end, as you can see, sneakers. But this one that I'm going to do, it's going to put in the position, like an accurate one. So I'm going to show you what it is. It's called insert. It's like the other ones. The code is similar. Closet dot insert, and then like what do we want to insert? We want to insert our books back, right? So we're going to say parentheses, and then where do we want it? So this is what? This is 0, 1, 2, and 3, right? So I'm going to put it back in the same position, which is number 1. So 1, comma, shush little bun, 1, comma, space, and then we're going to put what we want in. So we want the books back in, right? Books, and then we put the parentheses in. So now we're gonna print it. Print closet. Oh, closet, right? Yeah, closet. And then click enter. And there we go. Books is back into the closet. Nice, and back to its home. Okay, now we're going to show another thing for remove. So pretend my shoes are getting old, okay? And I want to just like get rid of it. How do I do that? You can do remove, but there's another easier, another alternative way, which is called deleting. So first of all, what we do is we do del, stands for delete, and then what we do is we go and we label which one we want. So closet. You don't need to put parentheses around this. And we put a bracket and say shoes, right? They're getting old. So shoes is number 3, and 3 like this. Boom, and then we print closet. Let's see if shoes is gone. And ta-da, shoes is gone. So instead of shoes, I have the sneakers now because the shoes are old. Now they're gone. Okay, so now what if I want, like, I have too many in my list, like too many in my list. So I want to find the specific one. I want to print it out. So what I do is I go like this, print, and then garage. So we're gonna print a specific one. So what if I want my jackets and I couldn't find it from my clothes, right? So jackets is number 2. So like this, and there you go. We printed the jacket. Oh no, whoopsies. Not you don't have to put in the how do you call it? You don't need to put in you need to put like the negative sign in front of it first. So well, this is a way I think you need to do it. So garage, right? And then like this. But instead of doing that, we're gonna do negative. So now it's gonna be a little bit more complicated. This way works for me, but for some reason this way doesn't work. That's kind of weird. Oh, why did I print garage? I think a closet is a garage. Oh my goodness, Jemmy. What in the world? Okay, so closet. Sorry guys, my brain. Closet 2. And this should work. I'm like, why doesn't it work? There we go, jackets. And then he realized. So yeah, don't forget to print the correct one. My brain just stopped working for some reason and just print garage. So yeah, remember to print the exact name of your list. It's very case sensitive and you can't even mix up a capitalization. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. I just spoiled you the second way. Oh, why? So another way is to print, it's an alternative. I don't know why anybody would want to use this way, but it's another way, I guess. So instead of counting 0, 1, 2, 3, we're going to count backwards. So this is going to be starting from 1, not 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. More specifically, -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, so now we're going to print it using that method. Print closet, and negative, which one? So we want jackets again, so it needs to be -2, like so. Whoops, wrong one, and like that. And now it's going to be jackets, see? So you could count backwards or forwards, it just depends, okay? So after this, what else are we going to do with lists? What other commands is there? What if you have a specific clothes that you really like? So you could name it something like this. So we're going to say, and you're going to like just pop it off. So which means .pop, it means just like use it one time and then it's gone. So what if we're going to set it as one of my books? So we could say Harry Potter. Okay, that's one of my favorite books. Harry Potter equals how about let's just say HP for short, because it's pretty long. HP equals closet, right? Wait, parentheses, I think. Closet. Wait, no. Do you need no, I don't think you do. Okay, just how about let's try this. Closet dot pop, and then we select which one we want. So I would want which one? Books, right? Yeah, so let's just do the fancy way. So -3, there we go. And then now we click enter, and this is going to pop it off, which means that it's just going to take it out, single use, it shows once, and then it's like basically deleting and printing at the same time. So if we say print HP, I just realized it says HP also stands for health points. Oh, in games, you know. And click enter, it says books. But what if we do this again? Do you think it's going to be books? Do you? No, it wouldn't be books. I mean, sorry, yes, it would be books because it's going to pop it off. But if we, however, just print, how do you call it? Closet, right? If we would just print closet, then this would not have books, okay? Because we popped it off. But if we just say print HP, then there is going to be books because it's like separated from each other basically. And yeah, that's pop. Okay, moving on is to print the, what if we would want to change something without having to delete it and append it or insert it again? Then what we would do is we would do like the name of the the list first, right guys? And then we would do over here. And which one do you want to change? So let's change clothes. Okay, so it's 0. Let's change clothes to sweatshirts. Sweatshirts. Okay, just like so. Click enter. Now we print closet. Let's see. And kaboom boom. There you go, sweatshirts. It changed clothes to sweatshirts. And yeah, that's pretty much everything with the list. So I hope you guys found something useful in this video. I really do like take a lot of time learning this and coming to teach you guys. So yeah, if you would like, then that would be great, and subscribe. Thank you a lot, and see you in the next video. Bye.